Manual loading machine. Double-sided electrostatic dusting. Powerful dust blowing by double air blowers. Enter the drying tunnel. Sticky dust roulette remove floating dust through the board chrono machine. Precise coating. One set of heating lamps under the sheet table. Manual sheet feeding and pre-lamination. Access to the laminating machine. Protective film device. Manual unloading, flipping the panel.